point at me. Hi, my name is Swietek. I'm the owner of Hubba Hubba Foods in York, Maine. Today we are going to be making a quick and delicious dinner of fish tacos using our Tex-Mex rub hip to the chili. And first we're going to start with our fish. Now I have here some cod, that's my favorite. You can use whatever fish you like. It could be shrimp, tilapia, but I like cod. So this is enough fish for 2 people who are hungry, and I've cut them into 1-inch pieces. Now we're going to add a little bit of oil. This is canola oil. You could use vegetable oil. And we're going to add our hip to the chili. And this is going to give it the flavor of lots and lots of cumin, cayenne, oregano. And we're going to stir that up and coat the fish with it. And the nice thing about this is it is going to go together so quick you will not believe it. So we've got our fish coated with our spices and our oil, and we're going to put it on the pan that I've prepared here. We've got a sheet pan or cookie sheet lined with a piece of parchment paper, and we're going to put the fish on there like so. And then once it's on the pan, we're going to add a little bit of extra hip to the chili right on top, just a dusting to just give it a little bit of extra flavor. And the nice thing about this recipe is that it's not super spicy. So if you have family members who are not big fans of super hot food, they will be just fine with this. Okay, we've got all our spices on there, and we're going to go ahead and put this in a 350-degree preheated oven along with our tortillas. Now I've decided to use flour tortillas today. You can use corn, but what we do is wrap it up in a little package to heat them up so they are nice and warm with our fish, and the fish and the tortillas go in the oven. Now the key is to make sure that you set your oven for exactly 10 minutes. And the reason for that is you don't want the fish to dry out. So we've got here some fish that I've already cooked, and I've got some nice warm tortillas here. So let's open that up and build ourselves a taco. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. So there's a nice hot tortilla. And we are going to add some sour cream to the tortilla. I like to put that on first personally because it acts kind of like glue and holds the fish in place. And then some fish, which is nice and flaky and firm, perfectly cooked. You can put on as much or as little as you like. That looks about right to me. I like to add some shredded cabbage. It comes from the store already like this in a bag. Oh my gosh, it's going to give some nice crunch. I like a few leaves of fresh cilantro, like that, and a slice of avocado would make this just perfect. And here we go. We have a beautiful fish taco in 10 minutes, or just a few more than 10 minutes. And it is absolutely delicious, and your family will love it. And if you would like to see some more recipes using hip to the chili, you can go to our website at hubbahubbafoods.com.